Alright, welcome to the next video on unit rate and with fractions. So again, we're going to find our unit rate and then we're going to use fractions to solve the problem. So let's check it out. In the first example, it says it takes 4 minutes to fill an empty aquarium to a depth of 2/5 meters. What is the unit rate in minutes per meter? So the first thing we need to do is write out our unit rate. So we're going to write out the rate. The rate it's asking for is minutes per meter. Per is telling us to divide, so I'm going to have 4 minutes per 2/5 meters. So then the next thing we need to do is to change it to division, which we've just done. And then last, we're just going to divide, which would give us our unit rate. So I have 4 divided by 2/5. Before I do anything, I need to change it to 4/1. Need to have a mixed number there, or I need to have a fraction, so 4/1. I don't divide regularly with division, so I change it to multiplication, and I flip the second number. I can cross-reduce here, so now I have 4/1 times 5/2. I can cross-reduce by a common factor of 2, giving me 1 and 2, because 2 goes into 4 and 2, which now I multiply straight across, and it leaves me with 10. So let's go back and apply that to our unit rate now. Our answer is 10, but it's 10 minutes per meter. Alright, let's look at the next problem. A group of workers can plant 3/5 acres in 5/6 days. What is the unit rate in acres per day? So again, we're going to follow the same process. Let's write out our rate. It wants us to find acres per day. So let's change it to division. So it's going to be acres divided by days. So I have 3/5 of an acre divided by 5/6 days. I have to multiply by the reciprocal here, so it becomes 3/5 times 6/5. Multiply straight across, and I end up with 18/25. But that's just not just my answer. I have to write it in terms of acres per day. So my answer is 18/25 acres per day. Okay, so please remember to set up your problem in the very specific way that it asks you for, and then divide in that specific way, and then write your answer in simplest form.